told you, I'm not playing out here. I'm not playing out here. I told him I'm not playing out here, man. I don't know. I'm not playing out here.
She do grilled lobster tails.
You get it already? Oh, yep. She already recorded. You ain't got the flash on, but fuck it. We gonna have to make it do what it do. See lobster tails, y'all? Yeah. Y'all see these motherfuckers? Show my face. Let them see me. What's up, y'all? Y'all good? Alright, look. We ain't gonna hold y'all. About to be quick. You cut it down the middle. I got a guest with me. I got my homegirl. She gonna be twerking and cooking at the same time.
I'm really not gonna be twerking.
I'm just playing. She's just gonna be. I tried to get y'all live entertainment, but she don't want to entertain right now. But the next video, she gonna twerk and cook. But anyway, you cut it open down the middle like that. Let me finish cutting down the middle. You don't want to break the whole thing open. You cut it down the middle like that. This lobster kind of sticking to the motherfucker. Is it good to you?
Mm-hmm.
Just like that. We're gonna lay it on the grill flat like that. Boom. Cut it straight through the middle. Don't cut your fingers off. Peel it back. We're making grilled lobster, y'all. Bear with us. Y'all ain't never seen this shit. Best grilled lobster recipe on earth. So now, put some Old Bay. Not too much, not too little. Oh shit, depending on how much you like.
But I like a lot of Old Bay on mine. So.
Okay, shit. We'll throw a little bit more, say less. But that ain't the only thing, so we gotta be light on the Old Bay so we can throw some other shit. Complete seasoning.
Goes on everything.
Sprinkle a little bit like that. Boom, like that. Now we're gonna hit it with some thyme, some herb to give it some flavor. All that other shit don't really give it no flavor. It really gave it some salt. This is where your flavor come from. Boom. Peel that shit off. Boom. Thyme is a flavorful herb. Fuck. Alright. Barely.
Just shake it hard.
A little bit of time on it, you know. Don't stress it. And that's about it. But garlic, scallion, allspice seasoning, Jamaican seasoning. Throw a little bit of this on it. I don't got no nails, so you see what the nigga gotta go through when he don't got no nails. Yeah, go ahead, do what you gotta do. It's all for you and you got nails.
Okay.
Sprinkle of this. Sprinkle of garlic, scallion, allspice seasoning. Not too much. The main garnishment is gonna come from the lemon and the butter though. This is just the regular seasoning that's gonna go on it.